Hello, my name is Mariah Slingerland, and we are going to do a guided meditation on the 5 stages of healing. The first stage is the energy of forgiveness. Then we move into the energy of acceptance. Then we move into the energy of surrender. And then the energy of unconditional love. And then finally we reach this place of gratitude, being grateful for everything that we're experiencing at this time. So as we're doing this meditation, I want you to have this visualization. So we're going from the root chakra, our Muladhara is at the base of the torso, and we breathe up the energy of forgiveness. And then we breathe and exhale out the energy of acceptance, all the way up to the third eye. And then we breathe back down into the heart, this energy of surrender. And then we exhale in the heart, unconditional love. We circle and stay in the heart for the inhale, unconditional love. And then finally exhaling back down in the energy of gratitude. So we breathe in, forgiveness. Exhale up, acceptance. Breathe back in and down, surrender. Circle. Exhale, unconditional love. Inhale, unconditional love. And then exhale back down in the energy of gratitude. So let's begin with our practice. So put your body in a comfortable position, whether that's laying down or sitting up. And then just lightly closing your eyes and shutting off that external world. And then just taking a moment to set an intention for your practice. That I intend to receive all of the blessings of this meditation of the 5 stages of healing. Sarva Mangala Mangaye, Shive Sarva Dashadike, Sharanye Triambake Gauri Narayani Namostude. Eyes, breathing in, exhaling out, inhaling in, tongue to the roof of the mouth, exhale out, the last one, breathing in, giving your body an exhale sigh, out. All right. And we're going to focus on the root chakra, the Muladhara. We're just going to start the breathing first, breathing up to the heart, exhaling up to the third eye, breathing down to the heart on the inhale, circling the heart on the exhale, circling on the inhale, and then exhaling all the way back down to the root on the exhale. So we inhale up to the heart, exhale up all the way to the third eye, inhale back down to the heart, circle the heart on the exhale, stay in the heart on the inhale, and then exhale all the way back down to the root. And let's add a mudra where we take the middle finger and the ring finger, bring it to the thumb, and place your palms up on your knees. Breathing up, I am forgiving. Exhaling all the way up, I am accepting. Inhaling back down to the heart, I am surrendering. Exhaling from the heart, I am unconditional love. Breathing back into the heart, I am unconditional love. Then exhaling all the way back down to the root, I am grateful. Breathing up to the heart, I am forgiving. Exhaling up to the third eye, I am accepting. Inhale back down to the heart, I am surrendering. Exhale, staying in the heart, I am unconditional love. Breathing back in, I am unconditional love. And then exhaling back down to the root, I am grateful. I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendering. I am unconditional love. I am love. I am grateful. I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendering. I am unconditional love. I am love. I am grateful. Just imagine that you're creating this infinity, or these 5 stages of healing, and the crossover is happening in your heart. I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendering. I am unconditional love. I am love. I am grateful. I forgive. I accept. I surrender. I love. I love. I'm grateful. I am forgiving to myself and everyone around me. I am accepting of myself and everyone around me. I am surrendering to myself and everyone around me. I am unconditionally loving myself. I am unconditionally loving everyone around me. And I am grateful for all of my experiences. unconditional love, gratitude. Forgiveness, acceptance, surrender, unconditional love, gratitude. Forgiveness, acceptance, surrender, unconditional love, gratitude. Forgiveness, acceptance, surrender, unconditional love, grateful. Forgiveness, acceptance, surrender, unconditional love, gratitude. I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendered. I am unconditionally loving. I am gratefully grateful. I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendering. I am loving. I am grateful. And internally, just repeat forgiveness, acceptance, surrender, unconditional love, gratitude, forgiveness, acceptance, surrender, unconditional love, and gratitude. And then expand the top and the bottom, so breathe up from the core of the earth all the way up into the heart. Breathing up, I am forgiving, and then going through the heart and going to the highest point that you can perceive. I am accepting, coming back from that place down to the heart. I am surrendering, staying in the heart for an entire circle of an inhale and an exhale, and then back down to the core of the earth. I am grateful. So breathing up from the core of the earth to the heart. I am forgiving, and then sending that exhale all the way up to the highest point you can perceive. Exhale, I am accepting. Inhale back down from that place, back down to the heart. I am surrendering. Then exhale, I am unconditional love. Inhale, I am unconditional love. And then exhale all the way back down to the core of the earth. I am grateful. So just expanding your infinity to incorporate the core of the earth, always crossing over into the heart. And then that highest point you can perceive, your conscious awareness, your cosmic energy, the universe, whatever you choose to call that realm. So we breathe into the heart. We exhale all the way up. We inhale back down to the heart. And then we stay in the heart for the exhale. Then inhale and then exhale all the way back down to the core of the earth. Inhale up. Exhale all the way up. Inhale back down to the heart. Exhale in the heart. Inhale in the heart. And exhale back down to the core of the earth. I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendering. I am unconditional love. Breathing in, I am unconditional love. And then exhaling back down to the core of the earth. I am grateful. And so we're incorporating all the energies that are available to us. Inhaling, I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendering. Staying in the heart, I am unconditional love. Breathing back up, I am unconditional love. Exhaling down to the core of the earth, I am grateful. I am forgiving. I am accepting. I am surrendered. I am unconditional love. And I am grateful. And so you can continue this practice for as long as you wish. When we do from the root to the heart to the third eye, we're building the energy within us. When we expand and go from the core of the earth to the heart and to that highest point we can perceive, we're actually benefiting everyone that comes into our consciousness. So thank you so much for taking the time to do this meditation with me. And I hope this helps you on your 5 stages of healing. Peace and love.